Alright guys, and Mr. Kyle, he's got to pick one, Giannis or the Hot Dog Stitch, 1:27 p.m. May 6th. We will type live. We are live. 1:27 p.m. 1:27 p.m. I'm going to grab a list. And we are going to drop it into random. We have 12 entries with Timmy on the bottom and Timmy on top. We are going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. We have a 4 that's not high enough. We're going to roll again. 2 dice, 5 or higher. 3 still not high enough. Roll again. And we have an 8. We're going 8 times. Good luck. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. Dice shows an 8. Next click wins. Good luck. And 8. Congrats to Dean, spot number 7. You are the winner. Get in touch with Kyle and pick your bobblehead. We are done. 1:28 p.m. We'll go back. We will type done. We are done. 1:28 p.m. 1:28 p.m. Here is the timestamp and verification.